Well, it's the license plate at the center of a more than year-long battle between the city and the Oahu man with a vanity plate FCK-BLM.
Well, after multiple warnings, expired registrations, and threats of legal action, the driver fought back, calling for an injunction claiming his rights were being violated. But today, a judge ruling that wasn't the case. An Oahu judge ruling that trying to get these plates off the road is not a violation of the First Amendment because license plates are considered government speech. Essentially, you're forcing an expletive onto a mobile billboard for the state of Hawaii. We're also learning more on how the offensive plates slipped through the cracks in the first place. Court documents show the plates were red flagged when the driver, Edward Okina, first requested them. The supervisor called Okina, who told him that the letters in the license plate represented his business, and the city gave the green light, which they now admit was a mistake. Then, when the plates were printed, it was red flagged a second time at the Hawaii Kai Satellite City Hall when Okina went to go pick them up. That city worker also noticed the expletive and called her supervisor, who admitted it wasn't allowed but told her to go ahead and issue it anyway because they were worried Okina might become aggressive towards city staff and they would rather just recall it later. Okina, meanwhile, no stranger to controversy, KITV4 interviewed him at the state capitol where he launched a one-man protest to President Joe Biden's inauguration.
We know who our president is, and that's Donald J. Trump, 100%.
It was at another protest, this time against COVID-19 mask mandates, where Okina was at the Capitol again, this time with his car. Future Police Chief Joe Logan happened to be patrolling the area and noticed the license plate. He asked him how he got the F word approved, and Okina admitted to Logan he lied about the plate's meaning when he called to talk to the office by saying it was the name of his business when he knew what it really meant. Now, this ruling doesn't force him to give the plates back, but it does open the door for the city to continue its ongoing legal challenges against him. In the meantime, his car is still not street legal because the registration is expired.